Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter from your science book NCERT, Getting to Know Plants. You must have seen that many plants around you. Then have you ever seen some are very big, some are very small, and some have different branches and some stems are different from other plants. You must have seen. So to understand the difference between plants of different kind, you must just have an idea about different parts of plants. You know different parts of plants including stem, leaf, then roots, flower, fruits. You know these are the different parts of a plant. Okay. Mainly on the basis of their height, stems and branches, plants are divided into three types. So we can write on the basis of height, stems and branches, plants can be divided into three main groups. First one is herbs, second one shrubs, then trees. Okay, these are the main classification of plants. Now, how these all types are different from each other, let's know. The plants with green and tender stem. The plants with green and tender stem are called as herbs, and they are usually very short and may not have many branches. So these are the common characteristics of a herb. You understood this point, everyone? Yes, you can write in your copy. So the plants with green and tender stem, and they are actually very short and they may not have many branches. Okay, such type of plants are known as herbs. Okay, herbs example such as tomato, then then another example you can say paddy. Okay, paddy, wheat. These are some examples of herbs. Okay, these are main characteristics of herbs that I have already discussed, that they have green and tender stem and they are usually short and they may not have many branches. Okay, these are the main characteristics of herbs. Now comes to shrubs. What is shrubs? Shrubs are those plants that develops branches near the base of the stem. Okay, near the base of the stem the branches develop. Such type of plants are known as shrubs, and the stems are hard. Here the stem is hard. Mainly the stem is hard but not very thick. So the main difference between the herbs and shrubs, here in case of shrubs the stem is hard, but in case of herb the stem is soft or tender. Okay, and not very thick in case of shrubs. So here the main characteristics of shrubs, again I am telling that the plants develops branches near the base of the stem and the stems are hard but not very thick. They are called shrubs. There are so many examples of shrubs also, just like rose, jasmine, lemon, tulsi, henna. These all are example of shrubs. So you can write the example of shrubs: rose, jasmine, tulsi, lemon, henna. Understood everyone? Understood now? These all are example of, yes Anubhav, you are right, bougainvillea is also an example of shrubs. Okay, now comes to another types of plants, that is known as trees. Now you can easily differentiate between trees, herbs and shrubs by knowing their main features or main characteristics in them. So some plants, they are very tall and have hard and thick stem, and the stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Okay, so the main characteristics, some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem, and the stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. So this is the main characteristic feature of trees. You must have seen trees just like banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree, no, people, then cashew tree. These all are example of trees. So now can you differentiate between herbs, shrubs and trees? Everyone understood? Yes, Riyan, your example is also correct. Okay, okay. I hope you understood, everyone. I have told you with examples. Now, on the basis of stem, again, some plants can be divided into two more parts. Okay, let's rub the board. Another two division of plants. One is creepers and another is climbers. Now, what is creepers and what is climbers? The both stems are weak. Plants with weak stem that cannot stand upright but spread on ground. You must have seen such plants that cannot stand upright, they are just spread on the ground all over. Such type of plants are known as creepers, and they have very weak stem. That is why they cannot stand upright. You understood this point? Many examples are there, such as watermelon, then pumpkin. Okay, these are example of creepers. Okay. Strawberries also very good. Strawberry, then watermelon. Okay, strawberries, watermelon, then another is pumpkin. Such an example of creepers. Now comes to climbers. What are climbers? The plants that take support and climb up are called as climbers, from the term itself describing the thing. No, they actually take support of other. That is why they are known as climbers. You can easily tell some example of climbers. Climbers example just like money plant. You have seen money plant, and also pea plant. No, pea plant and sweet gourd. These all are example of climbers. Okay, bitter gourd. Yes. So right, pea plant, then money plant. Okay, these all are examples of creepers and climbers that I have written here. Okay, and some figures are also there in your book. Page number 54 you can see. And there are also some figures of herbs, shrub and tree in the figure number 7.3. Okay, you understood this point, everyone? Any problem up to here? No problem, na? Okay, so let's proceed. Now we have seen that plants have different parts. We have seen such as stem, leaf. First we will discuss the stem part. Now what is stem? Stem, you know? What is stem? The upper part of the plant, that is above the ground, and that the main uh, actually stems bears leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, etc. You know, and the main function of stem is to conduct water from roots to the leaves and to the other parts of the plant, and also food from leaves to roots and other parts of the plants. So it actually act as a media to transport food and water from leaves to the other parts of the plant. You understood, students? The main function of stem. Now can you give example of some stems which are being used by us? Say in your chat box. Please write in your chat box. Yes, potatoes, nain, ginger, onion, moinak. Okay. They are actually stem and stored food within them. Okay. These are the main function of stem. Unubhav, what is your spelling of onion? Please correct. Yes, these all are examples of stems. Okay. I hope you understood. Next comes to, okay, let me write the function of stem. Okay. First, I have to write the function of stem or the stems, main points of stems. Then I will proceed towards leaf. Okay. For stem, you know, it bears leaves, buds, and flower. Sorry, leaves, buds, flower, and fruits. Okay. This is the first and foremost thing of stem. Next comes to the function. The stem conducts water and food from the roots sorry, I have to write one thing. This cannot be right together. Water from the root to the all parts of the plant and food and also conduct conduct means carry, okay, or carry food from leaves to parts of the plant. Okay. Understood this point, everyone? Now is it visible to you everyone? Stem, it bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Next, the stem conducts water from the roots to the all parts of the plant and also conduct or carry food from leaves to other parts of the plants. So this is the common function or the main function of stem. Okay. Here we have finished the stem part. Next day I will discuss about leaf, okay, in more details. So students, here, goodbye all of you. See you soon in the next class. Goodbye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.